Hi guys, and welcome to another exciting edition of the KOKO in Naija, where we give you all of the trending political basketballs on the Nigerian polity. Well, today with me on the streets of Lagos, we're asking some of Nigerians what we would love to want to tell the President Mohammadu Buhari, if they have the opportunity of seeing him one-on-one. So here with me today, your name, please?
Olatunji.
All right, Olatunji. So if you have the opportunity of President Mohammadu Buhari standing right in front of you right now, what would you tell him? That one thing you really think you need to tell him.
I would tell him face to face that he has not tried.
You tell him face to face he has not tried, but you do know that is not specific. Like, he has not tried how, where, what.
Should I say? I won't put it straight like that though, but I would make him understand that his own regime or his own tenure has not really been, has not as positive. How do I put it? It has not really helped with the masses.
Why don't you look at it from your own angle as a young person? How has what him being in government? There's been ASU strike for months. How has all of that affected? Like, don't you think you want to tell him things like that?
Okay, him like Buhari being in power now. What we expected from him is not what we are seeing. Especially the student now. Like, you are in this school now, and then you can see for yourself. Not everybody now that are in school now would end up using their certificate to do one or two things that will fetch them money. We will end up being in the streets, hustling, doing one or two things that would, because now there was one video I saw of him saying that he has no plan for the youth, which doesn't really make sense, because if you are not working for the youth, who else are you working for? There's no other person you are working for, because we are the leaders of tomorrow. We are the one that will take power after you've gone.
Are you sure we are the leaders of tomorrow?
And because with the look of things now, I don't even understand again if you are the leaders of tomorrow, or maybe they will soon say Nigeria. I don't even understand.
If you have the opportunity to be in front of President Mohammadu Buhari right now, what's that one thing you would want to tell him?
I think what is really disturbing the Nigerian people now is security. Everywhere you go, you see that there is a lot of challenges in terms of security matters. Okay. And the way it is now, President Mohammadu Buhari have lost the whole total idea. Doesn't know what to do anymore. If you see, even initially when his campaign become the president, you see that he went to the United States of America and he said that my age will affect my performance. Automatically, you see that we don't need any old person again. Any old person that is coming now, you'll be traveling time to time. We don't need that. We need young person. Osibanjo is coming out, fine. Osibanjo is a well-educated person. He's like somebody that can make a change.
Okay, but all right. So you would want to tell President Muhammadu Buhari that he has failed the country, and because of his age, and because of insecurity.
Yeah, he has failed.
Well,
the economics.
Even in the economy,
he has already failed the country because everything is high now.
If you have the opportunity right now and President Muhammadu Buhari was standing in your presence right now, what is that one thing you would tell him? You really want to tell him?
I don't really know what to say to him. I don't know.
Well, come on, there's something you would really want to tell. Are you okay with the current state of the country?
No, his tenure is over now. By next year, another person.
We know his tenure is about to be over, but
when he starts the project now, he won't be able to finish it. So there's nothing you will tell him now that he will start and finish.
Not particularly about the projects he wants to do or those that he's done. That thing you want to tell him that he feels he hasn't done right or where he has gone wrong, that you think you should tell him in case a new person comes on board, so that person will probably know that.
In terms of electricity, he did bad there, so I think that's what should work on it.
So, what's your name?
My name is Joseph.
Joseph? Yeah. All right, thank you, Joseph, for joining me. So, it's KOKO in Naija, and we're on the streets asking people some really necessary questions about the current political state of the country. So, my question would be, if you had the opportunity to be standing right now in front of President Muhammadu Buhari, what is that one thing you would want to tell him?
I would like to tell him, to improve on the security aspect and also the educational aspect also.
So the security aspect has been wailing.
Yeah,
So there's really need for him to work on that.
definitely, you have to.
What's your name?
My name is Ogechi Gift.
Ogechi.
Gift.
David.
Gift.
All right. So Ogechi, if you have the opportunity and you're standing right in front of President Muhammadu Buhari right now, what's that one thing you'd want to tell him?
A lot. But most of it, they are horrible things.
Hey, just one. Tell me just one.
He's not doing well. Let me just be nice with my words. He's not doing well. Yeah.
That is not specific. He's not doing well at what? He's not doing well in doing what?
Almost every aspect. Nigeria is failing. Nigeria has even failed, say.
Yeah.
Seriously, I'm not joking. Education, is it entertainment, road? There's no amenities. There's nothing in this country. Like, I'm not proud.
Okay. So that's the thing. One thing you want to tell him that you're not proud of President Muhammadu Buhari.
I'm not proud of him, and I'm not even proud being a Nigerian. That's how we made it feel.
And yeah, we did speak with some Nigerians on the streets of Lagos. Different people giving different opinions on who they want. On some of our questions, we did ask them one thing they really would want to tell the President Muhammadu Buhari, if he was standing right there in their presence. My name is Nosal Keltins. This is the KOKO in Naija.